Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. Are you ready to learn about the mysterious world of options trading? Well then, buckle up because we're about to dive into it. First off, let's get one thing straight. Options are not just for the big boys on Wall Street. Anyone can get started with options trading, and it's actually a lot simpler than you might think. So, what exactly is an option? Well, in simple terms, an option is a contract that gives the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset, like stocks, commodities, or currencies, at a specific price within a certain time frame. Now, I know that may sound a bit confusing, but trust me, it's not as complicated as it seems. Think of it like this: let's say you see a really cool bike at the store, but you don't have enough money to buy it right now. You could make a deal with the store owner where you pay them a small fee, the option premium, for the right to buy the bike within the next month at a set price. If the price of the bike goes up during that month, you'll still be able to buy it at the lower price you agreed upon. But if the price goes down and you decide you no longer want the bike, you can simply walk away from the deal. That's basically how options work in a nutshell. Of course, there are different types of options, such as call options and put options, and various strategies you can use, but we'll save those for another day. One thing to keep in mind with options trading is that there is always risk involved. Just like with any investment, you could potentially lose money. That being said, if you do your research, understand the risks, and develop a solid trading plan, options trading can be a great way to supplement your income and grow your portfolio. So, there you have it, folks. A brief introduction to how options work. If you're interested in learning more, I suggest doing some further research and maybe even trying out a practice account before jumping in with real money. Remember, the world of finance doesn't have to be intimidating or exclusive. Anyone can learn and succeed with the right mindset and approach. So get out there, do your thing, and happy trading. If you like what you hear, subscribe and like this video to see more like it. I got some great stories coming up,